Welcome to today's walking tour. So, I've been here around about 3.5 weeks now, and the weather has been very interchangeable. Today we have stormy skies, and if we flip round, we have beautiful blue skies, which seems to be representative of the weather at the moment. Now, I'm staying at a place called Beachfront Resort Hotel, right on the front. I'm just gonna show a look at that view. It's absolutely fabulous. Love this hotel, can't recommend it enough, to be honest. The price point is absolutely perfect, but that's not what I want to talk about today. A couple of days ago, I was walking down the beach and I've completely bypassed this place. It's the most stunning, gorgeous, delicious little bar. I paid no attention to it whatsoever, but I'm going to take you for a little walk there today. If you do like this kind of content, do like and subscribe should I say. It's June, around, what we're on about 12th I think at the minute, 11th, 12th, second week in June, so the weather is quite unpredictable. So last night it was thunder and lightning, we had big storms, everything was wet through this morning. And by lunchtime, as you can see, it's changed. The sea's still quite turbulent. So for a point of reference, this rock in front of me, I think they call it the big rock. And I'm just going to walk you into the bar, show you what they offer. I had the most amazing smoothie the other day. They've got a few varieties. A friend had a banana one. I had a delicious. I'll point it out when I get to the get to the menu. It's a really busy place. A lot of people come here from all the local hotels in the area. Just let me walk you through. It's well hidden. I didn't even know it was here. So there's diners here, so I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm just going to walk you through to the hotel. Sorry, the beach bar, and let you have a look. And here we go. This is the view from the bar. As you can see, it's really well hidden. But on the Google reviews, it's got some amazing reviews, and I'm not surprised. The food and the drinks look amazing here. It's the Andalay Bar. Okay, just flip that over. Cocktails. Hello. Thank you. I'm just going to sit in the shade at the back and just take you through the menu. So if you do like delicious Thai food and you like smoothies and you are staying locally to this hotel, I highly recommend that Andalay Bar is worth a visit. So mango shakes, 60 baht. Banana, pineapple, watermelon and passion fruit, which I had yesterday, was amazing. And strawberry. Everything is very competitively priced considering you're at a beachfront bar. The only downside is the beer, 150 baht for a large one, is very expensive. Cocktails, coffees, mixed drinks. I've had 2 meals here and I've absolutely loved them. I can't recommend this place enough for food. It's got a really kind of like chilled out vibe. You might be able to hear a bit of construction work behind me, by the way. That's the a lot of hotels, it's what you call it would be the quiet season at the moment, so a lot of the hotels are doing renovation work. One of my favorites. And I will be coming here later for my dinner. One of my other favorites. And one of my other favorites. We've got all the food here. If you do find these kind of reviews helpful, please do like and subscribe. It does help the channel. And other people looking for this kind of content, it does let them see it on the YouTube. Morning glory. Can't go wrong with that. Let's get the pages. So the fish, it's on 800 grams for 500 baht. Now locally I've been at the markets and I've been having fish between 700 to 750 grams for around about 450. So it is a pretty good price considering you are sat on the beach. I'm going to try this at some point before I go. The salty fried fish here is just the best. In the UK at the moment, fish is so expensive and it's so low quality for what you get. And when you come to Thailand, you're just going to be blown away by the how fresh the food is, the flavors. It's just stunning. So there we go. That's the end of the menu, and we're at the Andalay Bar. Sun's just going down a little bit now, but this gives you an overview. Quite a few tables. They do massage in, I think, over there and just on this side over here. Everything's cooked super fresh. I'm just going to show you the kitchen now where the ladies are cooking. There we go. I highly recommend this place. So, there you go. I will conclude the video here. Just letting you know the temperature has dropped a little bit from around about 34 to around about what we're in now, around about 28 today. The rain has been a bit of a cooler, which has been a pleasant relief, to be honest. It's been so hot since I've been here. Even though we are in the end of high season, well into low season now. Sea's a little bit rough. And there we go, here's the headland. Thank you for watching. As I say, if you do like this kind of content, I just walk around, I do it in one take, one cut. Keep it as straightforward as I can. And anyone visiting Khao Lak, I would highly recommend here. Thank you for watching.